guys, welcome to Karolina's Crafts. In today's video I want to show you guys my absolute favorite avocado toast recipe. I have two other videos that I will link down below of different variations of avocado toast and different things you could try, but this has become my all-time favorite and definitely my go-to. It is the easiest, the simplest, and it's just super fast and easy. So the first thing you're going to do is take your toaster. I'm just going to set this onto the toast section. So my toaster is like half oven, half toaster. I will also link it down below. And my favorite bread for avocado toast is this Dave Killer's bread, the good seed one with the yellow label. It's just so good. Bread is kind of important when you do avocado toast. You want something with grains, with different seeds, and it just adds so much to the texture and the flavor of the avocado toast. It's just so good. So I'm just going to put these into my toaster and set it to toast. Now obviously when your toast is done toasting, you're just going to take it out of the oven. So here I am just putting it on a plate. Pretty straightforward. This part's super easy. Next I'm going to take my avocado and I'm going to slice it down the middle. I just, go around in a full circle around the avocado, and when you open it up, if it's good on the inside too. So then I only use about half of the avocado and a quarter for one slice of bread. The other half I put in the fridge and I wait till the next day for my next day of avocado toast. I like to slice up the pieces and then mash it with the flat side of my knife, and that's like the easiest way to spread the avocado onto my toast. I also just don't like to layer it on so much. I don't like that much avocado on my toast, so this is why like a quarter of an avocado is perfect for me. Now if you don't have this everything but the bagel sesame seasoning from Trader Joe's, you guys need to go out and get it. This is one of the best things ever, and I add it onto my avocado toast all the time. I also add it onto some other things as well, but most definitely onto my avocado toast. It's like literally so good. I love it so much. So if you guys don't have it, definitely go get that. Also, the garlic salt from Trader Joe's is also really good because it's not just garlic and salt, but there's also like some parsley and some other things in it as well, which just adds so much flavor to your avocado toast. So I'll sprinkle some of that on top as well. Then a little bit of ground black pepper. Obviously fresh ground black pepper is so much better, but for some reason I don't like grinding black pepper. And then the last thing, I add a little bit of red pepper flakes onto mine. I don't like too much because I don't like spicy, but it does add a nice little kick to my avocado toast and it just tastes amazing. After that, I'm just putting aside my avocado toast and I'm cutting up a small teeny tiny little tomato. If I have a bigger one, I'll just use half of the tomato, but this one's teeny tiny so I could use the whole one and slice it up. I do love to put a tomato on top of my avocado toast. It does taste good without it, but I just think it adds a little something and a little extra flavor, which I love from the tomatoes. Then lastly, if you didn't put enough garlic salt in the first place, I like to add a little bit of sea salt just on top of my tomatoes, just so it's still on the salty side, because tomato is a fruit and it is a little bit on the sweeter side, so I like to keep my avocado toast on the savory side. And that's it, guys. That's all the ingredients, all the toppings I use. I know it seems like a lot, but everything's in my spice cabinet on the top shelf, so it's all easily accessible and I could just throw it onto my avocado toast. I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know how you guys like it and what your favorite combinations are for avocado toast, because I'm always willing to try different combinations. So if you guys have something that you like better, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also just don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, to Karolina's Crafts, so you guys will be notified of when I have new videos and when I post new videos, since I'm really trying to get back into everything and posting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!